Hello friends, is your engine hesitating, misfiring, or struggling to start? You might be dealing with error code P0344. This code is linked to the camshaft position sensor, which plays a crucial role in your engine's ignition timing. If it fails, your car might experience hard starting, stalling, or even a complete no-start condition. In this video, we'll cover what P0344 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0344? P0344 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Intermittent. The CMP sensor monitors the position of the camshaft and sends signals to the powertrain control module. This helps control ignition timing and fuel injection. When this signal cuts out or becomes intermittent, the PCM can't properly manage engine timing, leading to performance issues. Common symptoms of P0344: check engine light on, engine hesitation or misfires, hard starting or no start condition, sudden stalling while driving, rough idling and poor acceleration, decreased fuel efficiency. If ignored, this issue can lead to serious engine performance problems and potential damage to internal components. Where to check for the sensor location? The camshaft position sensor is usually found in these locations, near the cylinder head, often mounted on the valve cover or timing cover close to the camshaft. Behind the timing chain or belt cover, some vehicles have it located within the timing system, making access more difficult. Near the intake or exhaust camshaft in dual overhead camshaft engines, each camshaft may have a separate sensor. Check the wiring harness and connectors. Loose, corroded, or broken connectors can also trigger P0344. Common causes of P0344 include, first, a faulty camshaft position sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it can send an inconsistent signal to the PCM. Next, wiring issues. Loose or corroded connections, frayed wires, or short circuits can cause an intermittent signal, and then, a weak battery or alternator. A low voltage supply can cause signal interruptions. Continuing with the common causes, a faulty crankshaft position sensor. The CKP and CMP sensors work together, so a failing crank sensor can affect camshaft readings. Finally, a PCM malfunction. In rare cases, a failing PCM can cause incorrect sensor readings. So, how do you fix error code P0344? Well, let's start with step 1. You need to use an obd2 scanner to check for related trouble codes like P0340, P0341, or P0343. Next, step 2 is to locate and inspect the camshaft position sensor, often referred to as the CMP. Look for cracks, oil contamination, or improper mounting. Moving on to step 3, you should check the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of corrosion, loose pins, or damaged wires. Step 4 is to test your battery and alternator to ensure they are providing stable voltage. If necessary, replace them. Finally, step 5 is to inspect the crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, as it might also be causing issues. Step 6, if the CMP sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Step 7, clear the codes using a scanner and test drive to confirm the fix. A faulty camshaft position sensor can cause engine misfires, hesitation, and stalling. Fixing P0344 will restore proper ignition timing and improve your engine's performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0336, Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit Range Performance, and P0337, Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit Low Input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.